Hi, my name is Dr. Andy Nelson. I'm a hand surgeon at the Hartford Healthcare Hand Center at the Hospital of Central Connecticut. So I take care of really complex fractures that come through the emergency room. I do complex tendon and nerve surgery, and I do some of the more common things like carpal tunnel, trigger finger, and Dupuytren's disease. I have an engineering background, and I'm always thinking about how things work. And for me, the hand is a fascinating machine. The people part of hand surgery that I really love is taking somebody from where they're painful or uncomfortable and bringing them to the other side where they're comfortable, can sleep through a night, and do all their activities of daily living and go back to work. Hand surgery is still a hands-on adventure. There really aren't any robots involved in taking care of hand surgery patients. But at one extreme, we do microvascular surgery, which is under a very intense microscope. But most of it is done under what's called loop magnification, so special eyeglasses and special tools in the operating room. So my philosophy comes from seeing people scared and in pain. I try and take something that's fearful and complex and they don't understand, and I try and break it down into words and understanding so they know themselves. And when they go home and someone typically says, "Hey, what did the doctor say at the office today?" they can answer that question with confidence. So one of the things I like patients to know, especially when we're dealing with a really intense or complicated problem, perhaps after an injury, is that I'll walk the whole mile with them. A lot of patients don't understand that it's not just the moments in the operating room or the moments in the office, but it may be a phone call later in the day. And knowing that I'll handle all their paperwork, anything they need from me. Outside of my medical work, I really enjoy my friendships. The best friend I have is a woodworker, so we really enjoy building things together in his wood shop. Outside of that, I enjoy hiking, and I also am a scuba diver.